Wayne was playing at DC United at the time, so I went down to see Wayne on a weekend, and we've gone to play at the Trump National in Washington. We get to the golf course and there's Secret Service everywhere. Anyway, we get on the first tee, the caddy says, yeah, the president's playing it. We set off playing, having a few drinks. Next thing, we can just see this fucking entourage come onto the course, right? He just ploughs through the course. Get out of his way, get out of his way. We get to about the 14th hole, and Secret Service come onto our hole. Excuse me, guys, you have to move aside because the president's coming through. Please don't talk to him. If he speaks to you, then you can obviously speak to him back, but just leave him alone. And I'm like, fucking Wayne Rooney, mate. Sure enough, comes round the corner onto the hole. Wayne, how are you, Wayne? Like, I think, he's fucking out, Wayne, it's Wayne. Like, so Wayne, about 3 weeks before, had scored his hat-trick for DC United, and everyone's looking at him. This guy, last week, he scored 5 goals for DC United, 5 goals. And I'm looking at Wazza going, go on, correct him. Didn't you, Wayne? 5 goals, Wayne. And Wayne's like, yeah, I did, yeah. You lying bastard, like.